Today I'm going to show you how to take the camera off, clean the CCD chip on the camera, and clean inside the photo adapter. First step is to grab the 3mm Allen wrench that's located in the stand of the microscope and pull the camera and adapter off as an assembly from the photo port. This is the Allen wrench that is used to loosen the screw. This is a 3mm tool that is located in the microscope stand. To remove the camera from the photo adapter port, you can loosen this set screw several turns. You don't need to remove the screw, and it will clamp onto the circular dovetail. I will then carefully pull the photo adapter off of the C-mount friends of the camera, and the points of interest are the CCD chip. There's a cover glass over it which can get dirty. I'll show you how to clean that. Also, this happens to be a 0.63x lens. This can get dirty inside here or on the bottom, most likely on the top side. And the third place is the top lens of the photo adapter. What I will begin doing is taking a swab and cleaning this chip. Now I am using a little bit of acetone. These usually don't get very dirty. Most likely you'll have a crumb or two specks on there, so I will lightly get my swab wet and get rid of any excess. And I will start in the center of the chip, go in a circular motion until I reach the outside edge, and then I remove it. Now the same cleaning technique can be used for this photo adapter. If you want to see if there is dirt in there, you can take a source of light and shine it up through there and see how much dirt is on that lens. The same technique. I'll get a little bit of acetone on that, get rid of any extra. I start in the center and go in a spiral pattern from the center to the outside edge. I get rid of it, and then I do another one. This time I'll go from the inside. You can also use a source of air. I have a puffer bulb. Canned air can be used as well. If you see any crumbs or debris or a haze on there, you may want to see if they can be removed by the puffer bulb. When I reassemble it, I carefully thread it back on. Now the third place I want to clean is right where the photo adapter mounts onto the microscope. Same technique. I'll get a little acetone. I may want to blow anything off to begin with. And same technique here. Start in a circular pattern from the center and go to the outside edge. At this point I'm going to remount the camera. And with my image on screen, it may be helpful to look at a white piece of paper. You can increase the magnification. Moving around the stage, you can look to see if there are any specks that are still in the system, and you may have to repeat the process to eliminate all of them.